Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about the trigonometry chapter. In this sum, do the sums and try the sums and think and discuss some sums. Now, let us start now. Do this. In this, if sin c equal 15 by 17, then find cos c. First given thing, what is given here, write down. Given sin c equal to 15 by 17. Then what you have to find out? Cos c equal to how much? So this trigonometric ratio value is given. Then you have to find out cos c. Now first you have to think that what is the relating formula between sin and cos. That is one trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here cos c value, that means cos theta value is required. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus the sin square theta goes to RHS side, it will become minus. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Here cos theta only is required. So cos theta equal to square goes to other side, it will become square root. So 1 minus sin square theta. Use this formula and you have to find out this cos c value. In this sum, instead of theta, c is given. So now cos c equal to, instead of theta you have to write c. Now required value only have to write down and given value. Square root of 1 minus sin square c, where sin square c equal to 15 by 17 whole square. Now simplify. Square root of 1 minus 15 square divided by 17 square, that equal to square root of 1 minus 15 square equal to 225 divided by 17 square equal to 289. Now find out LCM here. Square root of 289 is the LCM. Here any other number not there, the meaning is by 1. So 1 into 289, 289 minus here this 289 is divided to 89 one time. So 1 into 225, 225. Now write down. Square root of 289 minus 225. From the unit digit 2, you have to subtract. Directly you can subtract. 9 minus 5, 4. Again 8 minus 2, 6. Again 2 minus 2, 0. So 64 is the remaining value, subtraction value divided by 289. So this again you can write in terms of the square terms. Why? Because you can cancel the square root value. So divided by 64 you can write, this can be written as 8 square. You can write 8 square. 8 square equals 64. So 8 divided by 289 means 17 square. So 8 by 17 whole square you can write. Here square and square root will be cancelled. Here 8 by 17 is the answer. What is the required value? Therefore, here cos c equal to 8 by 17. This is the answer. Next one in this, if tan x equal to 5 by 12, then find secant x. Now first write down the given value. So given thing is here. What is given here? Tan x equal to 5 by 12. Now you have to find out secant x. Secant x equal to how much? Now, what is the relating formula between tan and secant? You have to think and write down. One identity is there. That identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Here secant theta, instead of theta, here x is given. Anyone you can write. So here secant theta only is required. So secant theta equal to square goes to other side. It will become square root. So square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Now here our required, this is the formula. We know this identity. According to this identity you have to substitute the values. Now secant x equal to square root of 1 plus tan square x, where tan x equal to 5 by 12. Square is there, so you have to write down whole square. Now simplify. Square root of 1 plus 25 divided by 144. 12 square equal to 144. Now find out the LCM. Here anything not there, the meaning is by 1. So 1 and 144, LCM is 144. 1 divides 144 in 144 times. 144 into 1 is 144. Whenever 1 is a direct, we can write this same value, LCM value plus 25. Now this total equal to these two, if you add, then you will get 169 divided by 144. Again, this can be written as y, because try to cancel the square root term. So the internal terms try to write in terms of square terms. So how to write here? 13 squares. 169 can be written as 13 squares. So 13 by 40. 144 is 12 square. First you write 13 square by 12 square. And again this can be written as 13 by 12 whole square. You can cancel simply square and square root. Therefore, the given value, whatever is required here, secant x equal to 13 by 12. This is the answer. Next, do this last sum here, third one. If cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7, then find cot theta. Now, first write down, always in any other sum also write the given data. So, given cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7, then you have to find out cot theta. Now, what is the relating formula between cosecant and cot? Just you have to write down. We know that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Now here, which is required? Cot theta. So cot theta only you write here. Cot theta equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. 1 goes to other side, it will become minus 1, and the square goes to other side, it will become square root. Directly I have written. Why? Because in last two previous sums I have written clearly. So the formula is cot theta equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Now substitute the values directly, where cosecant theta equal to 25 by 7 whole square minus 1. Now here 25 square equal to 625 by 7 square equal to 49 minus 1 by 1. Any other number not there, so directly you can write by 1. Now find out the LCM. LCM is 49. Here 625 minus 1 divides 49 in 49 times. So 49 1 is 49. 625 minus 49. 15 minus 9. That equal how much? 6. 1 here, borrowed 1. So remaining 1 only is there. 1 minus 4. Again, it's not divisible. Sorry, it is not subtracted. So borrow 1. 11 minus 4, that is 7. Again here 6 becomes 5. 576 divided by 49. Now here 576 by 49 can be written as in terms of square terms. That is here 24 square equal to 576. If you don't know how to write in square term, means by using the prime factorization method, you can write this in terms of square term. So 24 square by 7 square. So in the numerator and denominator square terms are there. Simply you can write 24 by 7 whole square. Now square and square root will be cancelled. The value is 24 by 7. What is that value? Cot theta value. Therefore, cot theta equal to 24 by 7. This is the answer. So try this first sum, evaluate the following and justify your answer. Now sin square 15 degrees plus sin square 75 degrees divided by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 54 degrees. Here the given question in terms of the square terms and trigonometric ratios. In square terms means we have the trigonometric identities. Try to write in the form of the trigonometric identities. Then you can solve the problem. So sin square 15 degrees plus, and second one I am writing here, sin square 75 degrees. Instead of 75 degrees, this can be written as 90 minus 15 degrees. 90 minus 15 equal to 70. First, you have to write like this, divided by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 90 minus 36 degrees. 90 minus 30. Here again, second one I am changing here. Instead of 54, I have written here 90 minus 36 degrees. Now, these two are complementary angle. 15 plus 75 equal to 90, as well as 36 plus 54 is also equal to 90 degrees. Now, sin square 15 degrees plus here you apply that complementary angle. Sin 90 minus theta, that equal to cos theta. But here sin square 90 minus theta, you will get that cos square theta. So cos square, where theta equal here 15 degrees. So 15 degrees divided by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 90 minus 36. Cos 90 minus theta, again sin theta. Here cos square theta is there, so sin square theta, that equal to sin square 36 degrees. Now here sin square theta plus cos square theta, here theta equal to 15 degrees. In the denominator, cos square theta plus sin square theta, theta is same here. Then you can apply that trigonometric identity. What is that here? Since here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This, according to this identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. Where 1 by 1 equal to how much? 1 you are getting. Therefore, write down sin square 15 degrees plus sin square 75 degrees divided by cos square 36 degrees plus cos square 54 degrees equal to 1 will got the answer. This is the answer. Next one, second one solution. Given thing first write sin 5 degrees into cos 85 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 85 degrees. How can you solve here? Sin 5 degrees into cos 85 can be written as cos 90 minus 5 degrees. 90 minus 5 equal to 85 plus cos 5 degrees into sin 90 minus 5 degrees. Instead of 85 degrees, I have written here 90 minus 5 degrees. Now sin 5 degrees into cos 90 minus theta, that equal to sin theta, where theta equal here 5 degree. So sin 5 degrees into sin 5 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 90 minus theta equal again cos theta, where theta equal to 5 degrees. Sin 5 degrees into sin 5 degree. 2 times is there. Then you will get sin square 5 degrees plus cos 5 into cos 5. Again cos square 5 degrees. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta. You can apply the identity here. According to this here, since sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here also directly you can write. How can you write 1 here? Means sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. According to this identity, directly you can write the answer here. So, therefore, given question, sin 5 degrees into cos 85 degrees plus cos 5 degrees into sin 85 degrees, that equal to 1. This is the answer. Any doubts? If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Next third question in this secant 16 degrees into cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Now here how can you write? Secant 16 degrees into cosecant 90 minus 16 degrees. 16 and 74 both are complementary angles. 16 plus 74 equal to 90 degree. So this can be written as 90 minus 16 minus cot 74 cot 90 minus 16 degrees into tan 16 degrees. In this first term 1 you have to change, in the second term also 1 you have to change. Now secant 16 degrees into cosecant 90 minus theta. Now apply the complementary angle. Secant 90 minus theta. Here cosecant 90 minus theta you will get secant theta, where theta equal to 16 degrees, minus cot 90 minus theta, that you will get tan theta, that equal to tan 16 degrees into tan 16 degrees. Now here secant 16 into secant 16 equal to secant square 16 degrees minus tan 16 into tan 16 equal to tan square 16 degrees. Now secant square theta minus tan square theta. 16 can be assumed as theta. So this value equal to 1. This is the another identity. According to this identity, 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, that 1 equal to, or directly you can write secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. According to this we will get the answer. I have written here. Therefore, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. According to this identity, you have to write like this. Now, therefore, secant 16 degrees into cosecant 74 degrees minus cot 74 degrees into tan 16 degrees, that equal to 1. This is the answer. Next question, this is the last question in this. Think and discuss. Are these identities true for 0 degrees less than or equal to A less than or equal to 90 degrees? If not, is it correct? Or if not, then for which values of A they are true? That is the given question. Now you have to check it here. Given identity is secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. What is the condition here? This A value is less than or equal to 0 degrees or less than or equal to 90 degrees. Is it correct? If not, if it is not correct, then for which values of A they are true? That means A value equal to how much, that we have to find out. Given identity is this one. Now here let A equal to, suppose 0 degrees you have to assume. Now LHS value, this is LHS and this one is RHS. Take that, consider LHS value and you have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. Now LHS, secant square A equal to 0 degrees minus tan square 0 degrees. Now secant square 0. Secant 0 means secant is the reciprocal of cos, that is 1 by cos square. Cos 0 equal to how much? 1. So secant square 0 is also 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 only. So here 1 square is also 1. Or you write 1 by cos square 0 degrees. It is clear to understand. Like that, first you have to write minus tan square 0 degrees. Now 1 by cos square 0, where cos 0 equal to 1. Cos square 0 is also 1 square is nothing but 1 by 1 minus tan square 0. That means tan 0 equal to 0. Why? Because tan theta equal to sin by cos, where sin 0 equal to 0 degrees. 0 by anything equal to 0. So directly you can write 0. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1. RHS you got 1. So So, therefore, LHS equal to RHS. When let A equal to 0 degrees. Suppose let A equal to 90 degrees. Just you have to check it. That is sine square 90 degrees. Sorry. Secant square 90 degrees minus tan square 90 degrees. Secant 90. Secant 90 means secant theta is a reciprocal of cos, where cos 90 is infinity. So tan 90 is also infinity sin by cos. And here 90 degrees. These two values are not defined. A value is not defined. So it is not true. So it is not true. Which is the right answer? A value equal to 0 degrees. Yes, it is correct. Any doubts? If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you all. Once again, thank you. If you want to learn more videos or if you want to learn more concepts like this, please subscribe my channel.